This is a brand new app which is available for both iOS and Android that will pay you a decent amount of money. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use it properly in order to generate thousands of dollars in complete autopilot from India, Pakistan, United States, Albania, Nigeria, South Africa, Indonesia, Latvia, or anywhere in the world. So anyone out there that wants to start making money online from your smartphone, this video is for you guys. It's for teenagers, students, middle-aged ones, or even senior citizens. It's made for complete beginners and for those who have no previous experience in making money online. But it's for those of you that have already made some money online as well. Anyone with freedom and ability to work from anywhere in the world. So that's you. So drop a like to this video and that will help this video reach people around the world thanks to the YouTube's algorithm. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever a new video pops up. With that said guys, let's start the tutorial. Come over to Forbes.com. Well, this is their official website guys. They also have their app for both iOS and Android, so it's in both App Store and Google Play Store. So when you come down to this site, you have to go over here and switch to creators first, and this is the app that will make you money by simply uploading your videos and photos guys. For Apple users, you can download the app from here. For Android users, you can download the app from here. So it says time to make extra money with your videos and photos. Download Forbes app on your iOS and Android device and get paid. So simply upload your photos and videos and earn money. You don't need any skills in photography and you don't need a professional camera for this guys. In fact, as you can see, these are all beginner friendly photos that were taken from a mobile phone guys. This is a selfie right here and these photos are making thousands of dollars in pure passive income. Now guys, if you actually stay with me all the way until the end of this video, I will give you an absolute free platform where you can get these photos done for you, so you even don't have to capture them from your phone. You will not have to take any photos or videos because everything will be done for you. And if you come over to similarweb.com, you can see 250,000 people visit form.com every month. And if you scroll down, you can see the majority of them are coming from the United States. So how this actually works guys? Well, all you have to do is to upload different photos to this website, and brands, agencies, or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or photo from your online portfolio, and they split the profit with you 50-50 guys. So 250,000 people visit Forbes to buy these photos and videos which you have previously uploaded to this app. So as we saw, when they buy, you split the revenue 50-50. You may ask yourself, why do you have to give 50% to Forbes? That's because they're promoting, driving traffic, selling, and delivering the photos to the buyers. And guys, you just have to keep uploading and Forbes will do the rest. That's why I said in the beginning, this will make you money in complete autopilot. You just have to come back to collect your earnings again and again because it's all pure passive income. So if you go over to the images, let's open this image right here. Mostly they are selling a photo for $10 guys, sometimes even more than that, which means if you upload this photo and whenever someone buys it, you will get $5 per sale. And since this is a digital product, you can sell this again and again for unlimited times, which means one simple photo like this will make a lot of money. If you get this app to sell this photo 10 times, you'll earn $50. The more photos you upload, the more money you'll earn guys. Keep in mind, these are just numbers. Your photos can be sold for 2 times or 200 times or 2,000 times, or even you won't get any sales. So what you have to do is to keep on uploading. Imagine you get 100 sales of this photo, you'll get $500 for just spending 5 minutes to upload this after downloading from the website that I'm gonna reveal you in a few minutes. Don't worry, down the road this can happen because you can get sales in the next couple of weeks, months, or even years, as these photos will stay on Forbes forever. And if you upload 50 photos, that will make you $50 each. That is $2,500 guys. And the website I'm going to reveal you now will allow you to get thousands of stock photos which you can re-upload to this amazing app and have a high chance of making a decent amount of money, because these photos are not professional as you can see, but still they're making a decent amount of money. Imagine if you have uploaded some really professional and high quality photos, so you'll have a better chance of dominating this app, guys. And here's a bonus, guys. If you come down to the homepage of Forbes, here you can see missions. So go over there, and here, besides uploading photos, you can complete missions on daily basis. So here the reward is $100, here the reward is $300, $400, over here $50 reward. So there will be some missions daily where you can earn some extra cash. This is how you're gonna withdraw your money, guys. On Android, go to the menu in the app and click on the settings, then choose cash out settings, and in cash out settings enter your PayPal email choice as they say. And on iPhone, go to the menu of the app and click on withdraw money, then click on withdraw now, and you should be able to enter your PayPal email there. And that's how you're gonna withdraw money, guys. So in order to get started making money, you'll have to download this app to your smartphone. So go over to the App Store if you're an Apple user, or go to the Google Play Store if you're an Android user, and just search for Forbes and download the app for free. If not, you can go over to forbes.com from your mobile's web browser and tap on these buttons to download and install the apps on your mobile phone. Well, these are just simple steps, right? So this is how it will look like in Google Play Store. This is their official logo, and this is how it will look in Apple App Store. So install the app and sign up for free, which will take you no more than a minute, so you can start uploading different photos, so you can start making money from them. And as I told you, you can capture the photos from your mobile phone if you don't have a DSLR or any other professional camera. So you just need to open up the camera of your mobile phone and capture all around you. You can take photos of babies, your dogs, or any other pets, nature, food, you doing any kind of a sport, yoga, selfies, or whatever that would look nice, and upload them to this app. Try out different things, guys. It's free to upload, and each photo you upload will stay there forever, and hopefully will make a decent amount of money for you guys. If you don't want to capture these photos, or you don't have any idea about it, this platform will be the best option. And guys, if you're really getting a value out of this video, like it, leave a thumbs up below, and if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you won't miss out on any new content, guys. And now you can go over to burst.shopify.com. This is a platform where you can find free stock photos for websites. So you can download these free high quality photos, and you can see the categories: work from home, fashion, coffee, shop local, home baking, women, love, men, fitness, pants, crops, morning, scenery, wallpapers, stars, puppies. There are thousands of professional photos out here, guys. And if you like, you can do some editing, you can do some color grading or add some text if you like, okay? That's optional. So here you get really high quality free stock photos which you can use commercially out here, as they say right here. So for an example, I'm gonna download a photo of a puppy. So I can click here, or just go over to the search bar and type puppy. Wow, and see, you get thousands of high quality photos that you can use. These are professional looking, mind-blowing, eyebrow raising. Can you smell what the Rock is cooking? Sorry, I was so excited and went the wrong way, guys. So guys, download these professional looking photos for absolutely free and upload to Forbes. Wow, I really love this photo. So you can download the high resolution or the low resolution photo. Why would you download the low resolution photo when they offer you a high resolution photo? And that's for free. So let's download this, and it's one click of a button. It will take no more than 5 seconds to download. So download as many as you like and upload to Forbes. And guys, since the competition in Forbes is really high and it's kind of hard to make some decent amount of money with it, if you want to see how you can build a real sustainable online business, hit the first link in the description box down below to grab this special offer. So you'll have to push one button to drive free buyer traffic to any link or funnel in 23 seconds without any technical skills, upfront costs, or experience. So you can promote different affiliate offers, your own YouTube channel or websites or products or anything you need real traffic. Plus, either you get paid or they will pay you $250, guys. And here you get autopilot traffic in 23 seconds made for absolute beginners. You can work from home, and they have a 365-day, that means 1 year money back guarantee, and you just pay once. It will be less than 20 bucks, guys. That's it for lifetime. And if you have money, if you like it, you can buy it. If not, just forget about it. The link down in the description. I hope you guys will love it, and that will bring more and more traffic, not only to this strategy, but whatever you do on the internet to make money by having some real traffic. So guys, if you have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, tap the bell icon, share with your mates. Thanks for watching.